Alright, I am going to show you how to put custom ringtones on Windows Phone 7, the new update with Mango. Alright, so you have to have a file that's at least 30 seconds or lower, and I use this website, makeownringtone.com. And let's get a song here. Alright, it's just uploading my ringtone, obviously. Just waiting. And people that say, your phone isn't Windows 7? Yeah, it actually is. And it's very, very nice. I'm enjoying it so far. Haven't really got into it, I've just been going ringtone crazy. Come on. Alright, so we're going to use the first 30 seconds of this song, of course, because it's easy to use. C3 is Grace, so we're going to make this as a ringtone. Yeah, that's my ringtone, so I'm going to save it. And Alright, so go back to your Zune, go to your collection, and you're going to want to drag in the ringtone that you just made. See, and that's at the top of the list there. I just made it. And when you go to it, you got to right click, go down to edit, change your genre there, and I should already have a ringtone one. Yep. So you just type in ringtone, hit OK, drag it down to your phone, so it's synced. So now, I'm going to go into my settings, ringtones, ringtone, right at the top, there it is. There's how you make custom ringtones.